Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin's NEO, and whatnot. It certainly does look like cryptocurrencies are the future. While many of you might have noticed that Cardano is a fast-growing platform, with its value increasing day by day, it has also been claimed by various experts that it will inevitably crash in the next few weeks. But how accurate is that prediction? Is 2021 the right time for you to invest in ADA? If you want to know the answer, then you are in the right place. Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about some of the essential things that you need to know about the Cardano blockchain and ADA, as we bring to you all the latest information to help you succeed. In this video, we will also be giving you some of our exact price predictions for ADA in 2021, so make sure you stick around to the end if you don't want to miss it. Without any further ado, let us dive right in. First of all, what is Cardano, and what does ADA mean? Cardano is a project that was introduced to the world in 2015, and I gotta say, it has taken the internet by storm ever since. This was not only because of Cardano's intentions to create an internet of blockchains, but also because of the way its prices went up with time. From just 2 cents in 2017, the price of ADA went on to rise up to $1.30 in 2018. This grabbed a lot of attention, and people started investing in ADA. So, as we know that Cardano works somewhat just like Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency, what does ADA mean? Are they the same thing? The answer is simple: no, they are not. Cardano and ADA are two different things. Cardano is the name given to the blockchains, and ADA is the name given to the cryptocurrency on the Cardano blockchain. To put it in simpler terms, ADA lives in Cardano, which acts as a home to ADA. The Cardano blockchain simply serves the purpose of a host to allow smart contracts and applications, and can be used to effectively send and receive ADA coins, its cryptocurrency. Just like other forms of cryptocurrencies, and unlike regular fiat money, ADA coins are limited in supply. It was announced that the maximum supply for ADA coins will only be as much as 45 billion. This means that over a period of a few years, there will be a scarcity of ADA coins at some point in time, and as its demand increases, so will the per unit price of ADA. But it is 2021, and what exactly is the situation of Cardano in the market? Well, it's not always an easy question to answer, since ADA, just like other cryptocurrencies, is extremely volatile, and even more so in the past few hours. ADA's price went down by 30% and then went up by 40%, all in just the last couple of days. And it tells us only one thing for sure as we watch the short-term charts. Cardano is remarkably bullish, and it is currently showing signs of crazy volatility. Now, I know that ADA is one of the favorite cryptocurrencies for many of us, and it's always looked like a good purchase. But from what we have seen on the recent charts, is ADA going to crash? Or is it going to find its all-time high? Now, in the past week, we saw the entire market take a heavy blow as prices started falling all over the place. Bitcoin prices dropped to $53,500 in just 20 hours, before which it was $58,250, indicating an 8% drop in less than a day. And we also saw many other altcoins suffering the same fate as BTC, and Cardano was no exception, suggesting that ADA bulls might need to successfully defend some crucial areas of support, as the pressure of the bearish patch might not evaporate quickly. On referring to the Fibonacci retracement levels on the 1-hour chart to find out the potential regions of support and resistance for ADA's move from $0.82 to $1.2, we could find out that the 23.6% level has acted as a support that was flipped to resistance. And subsequently, ADA managed to slide past the other levels as well, as bears seem to press their advantage. This bearish momentum can be seen on multiple timeframes, as the long-term trend in the case of ADA, as it has been mostly upward. Therefore, shorting right after a majority of the fall gets over might not be necessarily an excellent risk-to-reward trade, in my opinion. With that being said, however, on smaller timeframes, lower than hourly, we could sense very strong bearish pressure, and perhaps losing the 38.2% retracement level at $1.03 after closing a trading session below will most likely see a much deeper correction, forcing ADA below $1 in the coming days. But listen, if you're someone who knows a bit about the market, then you will already know that the market runs in cycles, and every cryptocurrency will inevitably have its bull runs and bear runs as the current cycle progresses. It is quite understandable that no one wants to think about the market going to crash because, let's be honest, it is not a pleasant scene to imagine, and none of us would like to lose their money. But if you want to be a successful investor, keep in mind that you need to be a decent analyst of the market. You need to be conscious of which point you're currently at in the market cycle in order to have an idea of what's likely to happen next in the market. Now, I agree that there is no science or formula behind this, and one can never tell when the market's going to transition from one point to another. But from what we've seen, my opinion is that the price of ADA has risen rather unsustainably in the past few weeks, and it seems inevitable that it will eventually come crashing down. However, just like the one we saw in 2017, I believe that this crash will only be temporary, after which ADA, along with other cryptocurrencies, will rise back up to higher levels. But hey, you need not worry too much, as we are here to help you. After analyzing the charts and patterns, we could come up with a few ideas to help you watch out for the right levels of retracement while you're planning to invest. The 50% retracement level at $0.99 is one area that you might want to watch out for based on the reaction of ADA at the level of support. Another good buying opportunity would be at $0.88, while keeping in mind that there is no reason yet for us to assume that the buyers will be able to put an end to the seemingly unstoppable march of the bears in the next few days. Even though the market has proven to be anything but predictable, we could assume a bit safely that the majority of the fall for ADA has already run its course and ended. Therefore, I would not recommend entering a short position, as it would not be a good trade as far as the risk-reward ratio is concerned. For all we know, the price of ADA could very well reach up to $5 or even $10 before we see the next market crash, and that is why I think there is no reason to give up all your cards because of one spell of bearish pressure. The right move would be to split the risk while cashing in, so that even if prices do fall eventually, then you can get in at lower prices. And if the prices rise, you can still own a substantial portion of ADA. This way, you can find the right balance between risk and reward, which is the most essential thing to ensure while investing in cryptocurrency. With that being said, it is now time to move on to our price predictions for ADA in 2021. Now, it is important to keep in mind that any investor who claims to know for sure what's about to happen is either a liar or delusional. And trust me, you do not want to be taking advice from either. So, I am not saying that ADA will crash for sure, but it is very well likely to happen. The price of ADA is currently at $0.988. And over the next few days, unless the $0.9 to $1 area sees strong demand from buyers, ADA could inevitably face a deeper correction. That's it, you guys. That was our take on the Cardano blockchain for 2021, as we've come to an end for today's video. We hope you found this informative. If you do like our videos and wish to support us, please do hit the like button and let us know your thoughts about our predictions in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to regularly get notified about our latest content. Stay tuned and see you soon. Goodbye.